In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Acuity scheduling to Google Calendar. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a seamless integration between your scheduling and your Google Calendar, making it easier than ever to manage your appointments. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Acuity scheduling website. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. This will take you to the login page, where you'll need to enter your email address. After typing in your email, go ahead and hit Next. Now here's a little tip. If you're looking to save time, you can continue with Google for a quicker login without needing to enter your password. Simply click on the Continue with Google option and you'll be directed to a page where you can choose your Google account. Make sure you select the correct Google account that you want to connect with Acuity scheduling. Once you're logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the Acuity dashboard. This is your main hub within Acuity, from where you can manage your various scheduling tasks. In order to start syncing your calendar, look for the option that says Sync with other calendars. Clicking on this will lead you to a page with several options to connect your Acuity account with other calendar services. Here you'll want to click on Google Calendar. Now don't worry, even if this is your first time doing this, Acuity has made the process pretty straightforward for you. Clicking on the Connect to Google Calendar button will initiate the connection process. At this point, you'll need to follow a set of prompts to log into your Google account, ensuring that the integration between Acuity and Google Calendar occurs smoothly. These prompts are essentially a series of simple instructions guiding you through the authentication process, making sure that your accounts are securely connected. It's designed to be user-friendly, so just follow along and you'll be just fine. Once you've completed these steps, you'll arrive at the final stage of the integration. Make sure to click on Save to finalize everything and cement the connection between your Acuity scheduling and Google Calendar. And there you have it, you've just successfully connected your Acuity scheduling account to your Google Calendar, which will keep your schedule perfectly in sync. This integration will save you time and prevent any scheduling conflicts, ensuring that your appointments are always up to date. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process clear and easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tutorials just like this one.